When you're choosing a tool for LinkedIn outreach, it's easy to get overwhelmed. There are so many options, and on the surface, they all look pretty similar. That's why in today's video, we're comparing Salesforge with Aimfox. I'm Sam, and after testing hundreds of sales tools, today I'll break down how these two stack up. We'll cover senders, multi-channel outreach, databases, pricing, and more. And by the end of this video, you'll know which platform gives you more power for your outreach. So let's start with senders. A sender is basically an account you can use to reach out to prospects. Both Salesforge and Aimfox let you connect unlimited senders. That means you're not stuck paying extra to add more accounts, and you can scale as big as you need. But before sending any messages, you have to create campaigns. That's where you set up the sequence of connection requests, initial messages, and follow-ups. Both Salesforge and Aimfox use manual campaign setup, meaning you have to build each step yourself, although Salesforge is working on templates. Once your campaigns are live, you'll need to manage conversations. Both tools include a centralized inbox or Primebox where all chats across all of your accounts come into one place. That saves you from logging into each and every account separately. But here's a big difference. Salesforge has an AI draft feature. It uses your company information to suggest replies to prospects, which helps you respond faster. And this greatly increases the booked call rate. Aimfox doesn't have this, so you're on your own for writing replies. Now let's talk multi-channel outreach. Multi-channel basically means being able to contact prospects on more than one channel. For example, starting on LinkedIn and following up with email. Aimfox is limited to LinkedIn only. Salesforce supports LinkedIn and email in the same plan. And not just basic email. You get 10,000 active contacts, 50,000 cold emails sent, 1,000 personalization and validation credits, plus free mailbox warm-up. With Aimfox, you'd need another tool to cover email, while Salesforge gives it all in one place. Aimfox also doesn't have a built-in lead database. You'll need to find leads elsewhere and import them to Aimfox. But Salesforge is a part of Forge ecosystem, which has LeadsForge, which lets you search for lookalike leads, followers of your competitors, or your ideal clients using AI. That's a big time saver if you don't already have a lead list. Both platforms integrate with outside tools, but in different ways. Salesforge works with Clay, Go High Level, Slack, HubSpot, and many more. Aimfox integrates with SmartLead, Slack, and NN8, and also lets you rent accounts directly inside the platform. Salesforge packs in extras like unlimited mailboxes, AI hyper-personalization, and free warm-up all in the same plan. When it comes to white labeling, Salesforge supports it, but Aimfox doesn't. Now for the pricing. Aimfox is cheaper if you're only running one seat. It starts at $39 per month for just a user seat, or $99 for the seat plus an account. Salesforge is $96 flat. But remember, that $96 already includes unlimited senders, unlimited mailboxes, multi-channel outreach, and the extras we talked about. So if you're planning to scale, Salesforge quickly becomes the better value. So here's the bottom line. If you only need one LinkedIn account and you want to keep your costs low, Aimfox works. But if you're looking to scale and run multi-channel campaigns, Salesforge clearly comes out on top. And if you want to see exactly how to set up multi-channel outreach to get the best results possible, that's exactly what I cover in the next video. So see you there.